Rara. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Faisal Rashid. I am the student of Urban Planning Program, Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. I am sure you know that one of the building in New York is famous because of the tragedy of terrorism on 9/11, June One World Trade Center. Today, I am going to talk about structural design of the building One World Trade Center, New York. To start with, I'll describe its history of One World Trade Center. Then, I'll mention fun fact, tragedy rebuilding, and finally, I'll summarize my presentation. I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. First of all, I'll explain about the history of One World Trade Center. One World Trade Center is the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere and home to New York's largest community of media and tech innovators. The 3.1 million square foot lit gold covered skyscraper features premiere of space a tenant exclusive Emery floor and some of the most spectacular view in the world. The building is the global headquarters of the CONNET and home to some of New York City's most dynamic companies, including MDC Panthers, Code and Theory, and Bones X. Let me turn now to fun fact of One World Trade Center in open 24 hours for its trend and their quest and can be accessed from multiple direction. The building's north entrance is on Versi Street between Washington and West Street. The building's south entrance is on Fulton Street between West and Greenwich Street. Visitor to One World Observatory have a dedicated entrance on West Street. The building can also be accessed through the Oculus with direct access to the One World Trade Center head station, the Fulton Transit Center, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, C, E, G, Z, R, and V trains. David Marquis Child, who was born in April 1941, is an American architect. He is the chairman emeritus of the architectural firm Skidmore. Owing and Merrill David Childs is the reason behind One World Trade Center beauties. This is because he designed the new One World Trade Center in New York City. David Childs studied at the Yale School of Architecture. One World Trade Center is a skyscraper in the New York. The architectural height of One World Trade Center is 107,076 feet. It is 3,098 feet without the antenna on top of the roof. One World Trade Center is a skyscraper in the New York. The architectural height of one World Trade Center is 107,076 feet. It is 103,068 feet without the antenna on top of the roof. This is comparison of one World Trade Center with the tallest building in the world. Last fun fact, on October 10, 2001, Osama bin Laden was at the newly launched Most Wanted terrorist list. The US and other nations joined military operation in Afghanistan find him and other Al-Qaeda terrorists, but bin Laden managed to elude capture. Next, I'll move on to One World Trade Center tragedy. It opened on April 4, 1973 and was destroyed during the September 11 attack in 201. At the time of their completion, the Twin Towers, the original One World Trade Center at 103,068 feet, and two World Trade Center at 103,062 feet, were tallest building in the world hijacked by Islamic Jihad, vowing death to all Americans. Plowed into both towers at the World Trade Center in New York. Another place was flown in the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. A fourth plane, presumably headed for the White House or the U.S. Capitol, was heroically defeated by Panagers and ended up crashing in an empty field in Pennsylvania. After a report of the first plane hitting the North Tower, millions watched the second plane hit the South Tower on live television. Within weeks, work began on the replacement or restoration of many of the 10 essential systems. Within a year, the subway tunnel had been rebuilt and restored, while planning had begun on reconstruction of the path line, not only to restore the original service, but also to provide a green improvement, a new connection to the city subway system. It was in that same spirit that planners began exploring the future of the World Trade Center itself, hoping to find new possibilities for the future of the city. In the tragedy, everyone recognized that is significant part of the site would need to be a site as a memorial to thousands who had been lost there. I did as proposals for a international competition took shape. Planners anticipated that the memorial would become of the most heavily visited place in the world. After 13 years, the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center were destroyed by the terrorist attack on September 11. The new VTC building was reopened until now. About 60 of one VTC's space had been rented. The U.S. government Public Service Authority has even seeked a contract to use about 2,500 square meters. This is a time-lapse of the World Trade Center building during the rebuilding period. In conclusion, One World Trade Center is the third tallest building in the world. Thank you very much for your attention. Do you have any question?